Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to start chapter number 4, that features in Microsoft Word 2013, first part or the first session. So features in Microsoft Word 2013. Word provides various features and options that make creating, editing and formatting of documents easier. Paragraph formatting. So this is the first type of formatting. In Word, a new paragraph begins when we press the enter key. So whenever we type the text in a paragraph, you just go on typing. When the actual logical end of a paragraph comes, we press enter. So enter is the key which differentiates a group of lines as a paragraph in MS Word. We can format a paragraph by changing its alignment, indentation, line spacing and paragraph spacing. So these are the different types of formatting we can have in a paragraph. So let's see. So the first type of paragraph formatting is alignment. So what is that? Alignment refers to the placement of text with respect to left and right margins. There are 4 types of alignments. Align left. This option places the text towards the left margin, leaving an uneven edge on the right side. So as you can see, this text here written, it is left aligned starting from the left, and the right side is uneven because the length of every line is not same. Align right. This option places the text towards the right margin, leaving an uneven left edge. Just the opposite here, the text is shifted towards the right margin and the uneven portion is the left edge, the left side. Center. This option places the text in the center of the left and right margin. So for headings and all that of a paragraph or of a document, we require this center alignment. And the last one is justify. This option places the text in a way that the text is equally distributed between both the margins and none of the text appears uneven. See this paragraph only. It seems that it has started from the left margin and ended up in the right margin. So nothing of the text is uneven. Clear? So how it comes? We know that no line in a paragraph is equal. So how Word manages it? Word actually puts extra spaces between the words and shifts, pushes the text towards the margin so that it is evenly distributed. Okay. We can change the alignment of the text by making use of the alignment buttons in the paragraph group under the Home tab. So in paragraph group in MS Word, under the Home tab, we have alignment buttons. So buttons looks like this. This is a paragraph group. These are the 4 buttons. Is the align left button. This is the align right button. This is the center alignment button. And this one, justified alignment button. Okay. So let us see in this screenshot the types of alignment in this paragraph. This paragraph is left aligned, as we can see. This is right aligned. This one is center aligned. And this one is justified aligned. Clear? Now let us see practically what we have learned today. So we will first talk about paragraph formatting. So as we can see here, There are 4 paragraphs and 1 heading. First, you have to select the paragraph or the paragraphs. So 2 ways you can select. We can place the mouse pointer on the start of the paragraph, click it and drag it. Like this we can select, or you can select by placing the mouse pointer on the paragraph and clicking it twice, 3 times. As we click, it is selected. After selecting, you have to go to the home tab. Home tab is already selected here. In the home tab, in the paragraph group, you can see the 4 buttons. The 4 types of buttons are there. These 4 buttons are the 4 alignment button. This is the align text left, this is center, this is align text right, and this one is justify. Okay, so you have to select one by one. This text is selected. Click on the left button. The text is align left. Now select the second paragraph. The text is aligned center. Select this paragraph and this text is aligned justified, and select the last paragraph and click right. The text is right aligned. So in this way you can align in different ways. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Practice in your computer or device. Until the next class, until the next video, it's goodbye and happy learning.